Welcome to our channel. We are Lucky and CJ, a Filipino couple living in New Zealand. Join us as we share our adventures, faith, and life, turning it to memories. Leaving the Barcelona vibes behind, now we are heading to France for a week. Ay, record. Just check into our first hotel, and I accidentally broke my luggage wheel. Perfect. Room's perfect for two, and it's about 20 minutes walk to the Eiffel Tower. Surprisingly, no second toilet or bidet, just like in Barcelona. Out for a walk to grab some snacks and check prices. Pretty similar to New Zealand, €3 for 6 eggs compared to €3.5 back home. Gives us a good gauge. Night walk was pretty good, and my wife made it better. Bit chilly though compared to Barcelona. Pick up some Madeleines, one of their popular snacks. Grabbed our favorite lace too. Different packaging but taste the same.
No bashing. Eating time.
Tried the hotel buffet for €30. Same price back in New Zealand. Got a bit cramped inside with people from outside eating too. Grabbed unlimited croissants. No rice though. Checking the weather outside and picking our outfit for the day. This view looks like in a movie.
Nawag dapat hindi ka magkasakit, okay? Kasi
Hmm.
siya, ikaw ang bubuhat ng hanggang
Eh,
Ay,
Yep.
feel na.
I love Paris.
Wala. Wala kang kaparis. Mga pa-apartment lang sila. Anong love?
G-boy.
Ano na mag-hold for you?
Ah. Hold play.
Ay, ganun talaga sila. No? Kahit nakaganyan.
Oo.
Ayun pala yun.
Doon na tayo tamo.
Ha?
Doon na tayo, nakakalito dyan. Hindi mo alam kung hihinto sila. Yeah. Diyan tayo dadaan. Grabe, no? Teka. May dadaan.
Oh my gosh. Nasa Resident Evil na tayo.
Aray ko.
Sorry.
Pag pedestrian, hindi mo alam kung may hinto ba sila. Sabayan na lang natin si ate. Tara.
Kami ito naman sila.
Sabi siguro ng ulan, uy, lumabas na sila. Ulan na natin. Buisit.
Nakakatakot talaga yung crow. As in.
Cellphone mo na sa'yo. Baka kinuha na ng crow. Nandito tayo. Pag dumaan tayo sa gitna, kita na yan. Dire-diretso. Parang garden. Wala nang
Sige
stop-stop.
nga. Hindi ko maintindihan.
Yan na po mga kaibigan. Magandang posing. May bakal na ganyan, no?
Posing, hindi love.
Kaya nga, paposing ka dyan. Tapos merong
Posing, hindi yung
sa background.
No.
No, sabi niya no. No, sabi niya no. Sabi niya kasi no. No. Dito tayo sa kanan.
Parang ang daming tropa dito eh. Ay, dito ka natin dito sa red lab.
Asan?
Ayun no.
Napakalayo.
Kahit na eh.
Sige. Kanan tayo. Na, later.
5 para un euro, amigo.
Na,
5 para un euro.
Hey.
Mexicano o colombiano. ¿Dónde eres?
I cannot understand.
Where from?
Ah, later.
Ayun naman natin.
Ano ba tayong ini-Spanish tayo? We shifted to a different spot. It's getting too crowded where we were. We found a great spot. Just check the pin map. Had the place to ourselves for like 15 minutes and got CJ as the famous photographer as well. Eating lunch. Missing our food, so we went up to Asian restaurant. That's a wrap for the day. Love just wandering around. Everything's good here. Eiffel Tower at night was insane. Sparkles for 5 minutes every hour. Caught up with some family and got some tips. Right now, just catch you on day 3. Gonna explore more of this place.
Talikod ka, love.